Well, this is Crime Victims' Rights Week, and the list of families torn apart by criminal violence just seems to be getting longer with each passing year. Crime Victims' Rights Week is a time dedicated to those families to show them the services available to help them navigate their way through troubled times. 17's Raphael Stroud joining us now in studio with more. Raf?
Jim, I spoke with a mother today who is still waiting for answers months after her son's death, a shooting that has been a mystery since August. She's asking others to do the right thing, not just for her family, but for others. 19 is the age many of us are just starting our young adult lives. But for Ira Stevenson, 19 is the age his life ended.
He graduated high school, he was a little knucklehead at times, but he was a good person.
It happened last August, but his mother, Pamela Stevenson, remembers the last time she saw him alive like it was yesterday.
He was like, "Mom, I'm gonna go visit with a friend," and I'm like, "Okay." And then I was like, I asked him to wash dishes, and he said, "Oh, when I come home, I'll wash them, or when I come back, if I don't come home tonight, I'll wash them in the morning when I get back." And I was like, "Okay." So, and I was just like, "I love you, be safe."
The teen was found shot to death at a vineyard near Lamont, just off South Vineland and Hermosa roads. Months later, wearing her son's ashes in a necklace, his mom is still waiting for an arrest.
That person who killed my son is still out there, and nobody's speaking about it, so I'm scared for my other two too when they go out, or even for me.
Crime Victims' Rights Week is dedicated to families like hers to show what support is out there for victims. Advocates at the district attorney's office meet with families to help them right after the crime.
Whether that is need financial assistance for funeral services or counseling services, or just to have a friend go through the criminal justice system with them and explain everything to them.
But District Attorney Cynthia Zimmer wants to encourage people to give investigators tips to help bring families closure. Stevenson is pleading with someone to speak up, not just for her son, but for other victims.
There's people that their families are hurting and need answers. They don't have closure. And it's still like your heart is still every day, it just breaks because you don't know what happened.
For those afraid to speak, the Kern Secret Witness Line can help.
If you call a number, your information can be completely secret. You don't have to end up as a witness in court.
In downtown Bakersfield, the faces of homicide victims will be seen in front of the Truxton Avenue Courthouse, where Pamela Stevenson and many others will be for their loved ones while waiting for someone to do the right thing. That event is happening Wednesday from 2:30 to 3:30 p.m. There won't be a march this year because of the pandemic, but you will be able to drive by to pay your respects. Any crime victims who need help can call the DA's office at 868-2340. In studio, I'm Raphael Stroud for 17 News.